What's up guys? I am here doing some faux finishing to some columns, and this is what my office looks like for the day. So the first thing that I had to do was tape around all of the columns, and unfortunately, because the columns were not painted for such a long time, the weather caused the columns to split open, and so I used an entire container of wood putty so that I could fill up all the cracks and splits, and then afterwards I had to sand it down. I know this is in time lapse, but this process took me about an hour and a half. Alright, I have sanded and filled the gaps on some of these. This one being the largest gap. It was a really big gap and it was hard to fill. But it's done. So now on to the painting. Alright, let me get to it. So now it was time for me to restore the color of the original wood. And with these columns being real wood, it soaked up the paint so much, and I had to continuously do layer after layer. But it wasn't as simple as it looks. I'm not just painting the column brown. I actually have to come in with blacks and different shades in the grooves to give it that authentic look. I'm on my last column. And as you can see where I'm painting and where it's not finished. And after I'm done with this last column, I'll be able to add the varnish and it'll really make the color pop. As you can see, the other columns are painted and they just need varnish, so I'll be done soon. 8 hours later, and the columns are finally done. I finished them up right before the sun was about to come down. And I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. And most importantly, the customers were satisfied. I almost think that you could see these things at Disney World, right? Well, thank you for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.